metro line, the Gold Line actually. I'm actually going from Pasadena to home today. I wanted to try a new route. I sometimes take Uber or Lyft and just trying to get to know the city. And it's a really beautiful view because you actually go over the city. Some metro lines, like the Blue Line, also does go over the city. And so I get to avoid traffic, and I'm actually going to be home a little bit earlier as opposed to driving. And sometimes it's kind of nice to be able to explore your city. And I got an opportunity to hike around Pasadena, so that's one of the reasons why I wanted to take the metro back, or at least partial. I kind of cheated. I took a little drive to the metro station from a Lyft, and it made the difference. And the reason why I wanted to do some kind of videos like this is be able to share that the public transportation here is amazing as far as clean, still fairly new as opposed to other places around the world. And it also allows me to do some work. I get to reply to some emails. I get to post, obviously, some social media posts I haven't done for the day, especially if you need to do every day. And being able to save some money at the same time. I always navigate and try to compare and see what's cheaper in order to travel by Lyft or Uber as opposed to Metro. And of course, Metro's hand down usually much cheaper. However, you are exchanging time over speed. So if you are going direct through a Uber or a car Lyft, you can be dropped off directly at your home. You don't have to worry about walking or making sure you're going the right direction, because that's happened to me before, not here, but a couple times here, but mostly at other places that I'm not familiar with. So it's important to be able to know your map, and most phones have your map app that you can set not just for driving or walking, but also doing a metro. So it gives you different routes, and it's kind of nice because I get to see how beautiful our city is. It's clean, and this is the Gold Line, which is one of the newest lines, part of the metro. So you kind of get a chance to see the background. I was over the city, going into some of the hills of El Sereno, going through downtown LA, and I'm actually going to be taking a connection spot through Union Station, which is one of the largest connection stations in the LA area downtown. So that connects you to the Red Line and some others. And obviously you can hear the sound beneath it. But stay tuned for some more tips on how to save while you're getting around in LA. And yeah, make sure, and also World Savings Day is coming up this Wednesday. It's not just Halloween, but it's also a time to reflect on how we can better save our money and do better things with what we can when we earn. I'm Natalie Torres Haddad, Financially Savvy Latina. Talk to you soon.